Okay, so good day everyone. We have the Boolean Algebra Properties and Identities. Okay, this is on your module chapter 7, which is the Boolean Algebra Basic. Okay, so these are the properties of Boolean Algebra. Okay, for the commutative property, okay, so commutative, A plus B is also equals to B plus A. Okay, and A times B is also equals to B times A. Okay? Now, for associative property, A plus B plus A plus C is also equals to A plus B plus C. Or, for the AND gate, A times B times C is also equals to A times B times C. Okay? That is for the associative property. For the distributive property, we have A plus, okay, so A plus B times C is also equals to, okay, so multiply A plus, so A plus times B is equals to A plus B, and then in the middle is your times, okay, so your AND gate, and then A plus times C, and you have there A plus C. Okay, so meaning A plus B times C is equals to A plus B times A plus C. Okay, the other one, A times B plus C is equals to A times B plus, okay, so in the center of the middle, times plus times A times C. Okay, so we have A times B plus C is equals to A times B plus A times C. Okay, okay, so have here another symbol. Okay, so take note that this symbol, okay, asterisk A or exponent or power A means also equals to not A. Okay, so not A. Okay, so for the sake of our discussion, this symbol is also equal to this symbol, or this symbol that means not A or A not. Okay, for OR identity, okay, so let's discuss OR identity. A plus A is also simply equals to A. Why? So let's substitute the logic 1 and 0. If A is 1 and other one A, so 1 plus 1 is 1, which is also equals to A. If A is 0, so 0 plus 0, and that is 0, which is also equals to A. Okay? Then the next, A plus 0 is equals to A. Why? If A is 1, so 1 plus 0, that is A. That is equals to 1. If A is 0, so 0 plus 0 is also equals to A, which is equals to 0. Next, A plus 1 is equals to 1. Why? If A equals to 1, 1 plus 1 is still 1. If A equals to 0, then 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Next, we have A plus not A is equals to 1. Okay? So if A is 1 and not A is 0, then your answer is 1. If your A is 0, then not A is 1. So therefore, we have 1. Okay? For the AND identities, okay, AND identities, A times A is equals to A. Why? If A is 1, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, which is equals to A. If A is 0, 0 times 0, and that is 0, which is also equals to A. So, it's okay. Okay, so you understand. Next, A times 1 is equals to A. Okay? A times 0 is of course equals to 0, and A times not A, and that will be equal to 0. Okay? So just take a look at the, or you can review the video for the commutative, associative, distributive, and the OR identities and AND identities. Okay, so I hope you understand the procedure through this video, and you can comment below for your questions, or you can send me a personal message on our GC or